Like these? Make them at home. Make a nutritious, high-protein breakfast in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Measure water and pour into the center of the base. Step 2. Prepare the egg mixture with your choice of ingredients and fill the tray to the max fill line. Step 3. Cover with the lid. Your egg whites will be ready in less than 10 minutes. Step 4. Take off the lid and remove the tray from the base. Your egg bites are ready to serve and enjoy. And they're easy to make ahead. Customize your bites. No matter your diet, there is an egg bite for you. Plant-based meat with herbs. Egg whites with red peppers. Bacon and cheese. Egg whites with yellow peppers and scallions. It's the perfect healthy breakfast treat.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart egg cooker. It has lots of different ways that you can make eggs. You can do soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Has lots of accessories that come with it. This here is the poaching cup. This is the item I use most often. I love to use this. When you're using it, just lightly spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. It helps you get your eggs out a lot easier. What I like to do is I'll cook a batch for 2 different days for breakfast, and then I just take 2 and I have another 2 for the next day. The other thing that I've done is instead of just using whole eggs, you can also poach egg whites, which I like to do. Just add a couple of herbs and poach your eggs, and you have a really great healthy breakfast. This here is your omelet tray. You can cook a really nice omelet in here. You can do, like I said, egg whites, whole eggs, herbs, cheese, vegetables, however you like. And I like to, like I said, do things like this, have it ready, just take it to work and reheat it, and you have a really nice healthy breakfast. Here are also your little stands for your eggs that you can use afterwards if you're going to do something more like a soft-boiled egg. This is the tray that holds the eggs when you put them in the cooker. And I just want to show you the inside here. This is all stainless steel. It's really easy to clean. It's important to use distilled water when you're doing this. It helps out a lot. And in the front here, this is your on-off switch. Nice black base, stainless steel accents. This is your lid. Has a little vent in the top, little handles. What you're going to do when you're going to cook your eggs, if they're not an omelet or poached, you would put this right on here to do that, just so you know. But you're going to put your little tray in here, then you put your eggs on it. And then if you're going to do 2 layers, I'm going to show you, you use this to have your second high layer. This is your cup, and this beaker is important to use, so don't lose it. It has your measure markings on here, tells you everything to do from omelet to poached, hard, soft, and medium cooked. You fill it up to the proper level for with the distilled water. Today we're going to do 10 eggs, so we need to fill it up to 160. I'm going to do that now, just so we have it ready. And then you just pour it in the base. like so. You can lift this up if you prefer. Pour it right in there. Put that aside, put the tray on. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get our eggs ready. All you're going to do is, there's a little pin in the bottom of this. It's important to actually puncture the eggs before you cook them right in the top. So we're going to do that one at a time. The nice thing about this egg cooker is that you can actually do up to 10 eggs. And the other thing to remember too is after you're done using this to puncture the eggs, it's important to remember to wash it. I run it through the dishwasher. That's the easiest and simplest way to do it. So we're going to continue with this, and then I'm going to show you how to do a second layer of eggs. The nice thing about an egg cooker is that you can, like I said, prepare your breakfast for the next day. The other thing is you can cook lots of other great things. You can make egg salad for sandwiches. You can do these beautiful eggs like this. I did deviled eggs here, if you prefer. So we're down to the last three. What we're going to do is put this on. Then we're going to put 3 eggs in here. Puncture the last 3. Put it right on top. And this is really easy to do. It's also a fun thing to do on the weekends with your kids. Put it right like that. All you do is put the lid on, turn it on, and what's going to happen is the water is going to evaporate. And when the water evaporates, it signals the unit to turn off, and it's going to beep to let you know your eggs are done. You can go off and do something else. You come back, your eggs are ready. You can eat them then, or let them cool to make deviled eggs or egg salad sandwich for later in the day. So there you have it, the Cuisinart 10 egg cooker.